you bleed the hands that pick you.
Welcome to Know Your Hood. We're standing right on the Tema Roundabout to show you the beauty of the place and the various directions of the roundabout when you are driving on them. Ahead of us is the Ashama Township, and the road there leads us to Michelle Camp, Afienya, Shah Hills, and also the main Akosombo Road. On the right side is also the main Aflawu Road, which can lead us to Dohwenya, Community 25, Pram, Chopoli, and Adan. On my left side is the Tema Motorway, which takes us all the way to Tetekwashe Roundabout and then the various parts of Accra. And finally, the road behind us takes us to Tema Township, Tema, center of the world. Please subscribe, like, and comment to get more videos on Know Your Hood.